Is your Toyota Venza refusing to connect to Apple CarPlay, leaving you stuck with the stock interface? Statistically, 80% of connectivity drops are resolved by simple software resets instead of expensive hardware repairs. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get your system back online. Start by inspecting your cable for damage and clearing any debris from the vehicle's USB data port. Check your iPhone settings to ensure CarPlay isn't restricted under screen time and that Siri is enabled. A hard reboot of the head unit can often clear out temporary glitches, preventing the handshake. Try these basic resets at home before heading to the dealer for potential firmware updates. As you can see, the vast majority of issues are simply resolved by replacing a faulty charging cable. If it still won't connect, try deleting the Bluetooth profile from both devices and performing a full power cycle. Keep a high-quality MFI certified cable and some compressed air in your glove box for quick maintenance. Remember, connection issues are rarely permanent, but you must be patient during the initial handshake. If these steps didn't solve it, reach out to your local Toyota service center for a firmware check.